Yes, my Biafran brothers and sisters, good afternoon, good evening, pending your time zone. I want you to be rest assured that Mazi Nnamdi is doing very wonderfully well and fine. To be honest, Nigerian government is in deep shit. They are in very deep shit. Listen carefully, Biafran brothers and sisters. Nigerian government submitted a petition that they cannot come and defend. And today we are hitting them very hard. Mazi Nnamdi will join us very soon. This is no more a joke because they are now being defeated in all ways. Mazi Nnamdi is attending to legal issues and he's hitting Nigeria very hard. Nigeria knows that this is the end of the road for them. Remember that Mazi Nnamdi told Tinubu, the criminal of Nigeria, that he will be his end, and that is what he's attending to. Many of you that they said, oh, Mazi Nnamdi has been arrested. They could not provide evidence of his arrest. They could not provide the prison, the county, where they detained Mazi Nnamdi. The media is the biggest propaganda in the whole of Africa. You see channels, you see MTA, you see AIT, Ruben Abati them, all of them, these people, they carry fake news more than you and I. But here, I am telling you the simple truth, that Nigeria is finished. They don't know where to stand. They don't know what to hold on to defend themselves. All the evil document that is submitted cannot be defended. So please, those of you who are worried about Mazi Nnamdi, some restrictions have been lifted.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around the globe. Yes, it's happening here, live and direct. We told you that the Simona is going to defeat Nigerian government with the evidence we have, and they think we are just joking. Yes, it's no longer joking. We are winning, and we are winning big. Yes, Simona is the man that the cap fits to pilot the affair of Biafra, and nothing anyone can do about it. Yes, he always be telling us that he go to destroy Nigeria with what he have, and they will think it's just a man playing. Today is happened for reality. Please, my people, come and watch this video. Watch this video to the very end of it, so that we know that whatever we say here come to reality. We don't preach lies. We don't talk lies here. All we do here is just to bring the truth. We naked it. All of us witness it. That is all we do here. We don't preach propaganda. Yes, please, my people, as you are watching, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message around the globe. Do well and touch your hand for notification bell, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yes, because our God is very wonderful. He's using Simona to do a tremendously wonder things to the Biafran people, and nothing anyone can do about it. Please don't skip any part. Watch this video to the very end of it. Don't go anywhere. Let's watch it to the end. Yeah, you will not regret it. Let's go in there and watch it unfold.
By the Finnish authority, because they know that Mazi Nnamdi has no case to answer. Thirdly, is that you and I remember that Mazi Nnamdi is a Finnish lawyer, and that Mazi Nnamdi as well is one of the government officials in Finland. He is indeed destroying Nigeria with his legal documentations. Fourthly, we are heading home. I know times are hard now. People are being unalived by this Nigerian terrorist army in our checkpoints. But please, self-defense is not a crime. If you can defend yourself in anywhere, because our soldiers cannot be everywhere at the same time, please do so. Defend yourself ruthlessly. Anywhere you see these Nigerian soldiers, if you can defend yourself when they come to attack, please do not hesitate, because in UN Charter, Chapter 51 said self-defense is not a crime. You can check what I'm saying. Please, our Prime Minister will join us very soon. And this is no longer a joke. We are saying to the Nigerian government, as Mazi Nnamdi will always say, brothers and sisters, the truth is that this is not a joke. This is life and people's property that this Nigerian government are destroying. Today, everything cannot be in public. And I still remain rosé. Remain blessed, Nigerian government. What is coming? You know what is coming. And you people are not trying to tell your citizens the truth, but we are coming very heavy. And Mazi Nnamdi is coming with vengeance. Believe that. Thank you.
Led by His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. I welcome all of you. I just want to give us a few updates before we progress into our fundraising today. The first update I have today is that the Biafra government, the United States of Biafra, is defeating the Nigerian government in the Finnish courts of law, in the Finnish investigation department. The United States of Biafra is defeating the zoo terrorists of the Nigerian government in international scene. Yes, we are. We have a couple of updates from Finland. And one of the updates is Nigerian government is failing by the minute. They are losing by the second. And as they are losing, United States of Biafra, we are gaining more momentum. We are gaining more momentum. Obatobie is gaining more momentum. Obatobie is destroying the zoo terrorist state of Nigeria by the second. Finland is confirming that.
Yes.
Finland is getting the. Shabi, they said they're doing investigation. Investigation has been going on, and Finland is discovering by the minute that Obatobie is the good guy. They are discovering by the second that the United States of Biafra are the good people.
Yes.
Discovering by the second that Nigerian government, led by President Tinubu, Christopher Musa, is the real terrorist,
Yes.
killing innocent people.
Yes.
Many innocent men and women taking over our land.
Yes.
Finland has discovered that.
Yes.
As we are talking right now.
Yes.
Obatobie has less restrictions in whatever investigation they are doing. It is a very good thing. There's going to be a couple of updates on that. But all we know is that Obatobie is destroying the zoo terrorists by the minute, and Finland has confirmed that based on the actions they have taken with Obatobie. So Biafrans, be strong. Very, very soon we'll be with our Prime Minister, because there's nothing Finland has against our Prime Minister, nothing. All the lies perpetuated by the Nigerian government using their agents. Some of them are Biafrans. Some of them may be listening to us right here. Let me tell those individuals that Obatobie is the good guy. You cannot defend, you cannot defeat 70 million Biafrans.
No way.
That have to get their independence. You can never win that battle. Not while some of us are alive. You will never. You will never. And that's why we keep telling the Nigerian zoo terrorist state, whom I know they are watching me, that there are over 1 million Nnamdi Kanu standing today. Over 1 million. That is why you can never win this battle. The earlier you told the path of peace, the better for everyone. For everyone. So we are very, very happy when we got that information yesterday. So Biafrans, our spirit is high. We are very, very happy, and we will keep pushing. That is all I can say in that angle.